The Lexington Fayette County Health Department is reporting another rise in whooping cough cases. Officials say 11 cases of pertussis have been confirmed since October 3rd, most of them since October 24th. That's up from 8 cases reported on Monday. The health department says all of those infected were up to date on their vaccinations. One case involves a 1-year-old child. The rest are school-age children. Pertussis is highly contagious and spreads through coughing and sneezing. It can be especially dangerous for infants and people with chronic health conditions.